As you work on a design, you'll likely need to modify some objects. Before you can modify an object, you have to select it. To select an object, position your cursor over the object and click. I can add or remove objects in the current selection by holding the Shift key while I click the objects. I'll press Escape to clear the selection completely. Instead of selecting objects individually, I can select multiple objects at once with a selection window. I'll drag the cursor from left to right to select objects that are completely enclosed in the window. I'll drag from right to left to create a crossing selection, which selects all objects crossed by or enclosed in the window. Now let's look at some modify commands. I'll use the Erase command to remove objects from my drawing. I'll select the objects I want to remove and either click the Erase tool or press Delete. If I make a mistake, I can choose Undo from the command shortcut menu. Let's say I want to move this fence support to the right. First, I zoom in. I can use the Zoom command, or I can position my cursor and move 2 fingers apart on the trackpad to increase the magnification of the drawing. If you have a mouse, position the cursor and scroll the wheel, or slide 1 finger forward on Magic Mouse. I'll pan the drawing by holding the spacebar and dragging 1 finger on the trackpad, or by moving the mouse. To move the fence support, I'll select it and click the Move tool. I'll use an endpoint object snap to move the support accurately from one fence board to another. Finally, I'll use the Zoom command with the Extents option to fit my design in the drawing area.